Snail, frog, dog, cat, cow, and a little elephant went to the doctor. A snake came along. Come in. Hello, snail. Hello, boy. What's the matter? Oh, bum, bum. Open your mouth and say ah. Very bad, very bad. Aha! Drink, drink, drink. That is a very good. Goodbye. Frog came along. Come in, hello, frog. What's the matter? Open your mouth and say very bad, very bad. Aha! Jump, jump. Cat came along. Come in, tell that. What's the matter? Open your mouth and say very bad, very bad. Aha! Stand up and sit down. Stand up and sit down. Goodbye. Dog came along. Come in, hello, dog. Hello, doctor. What's your matter? Shh. Open your mouth and say very bad, very bad. Aha! Hop, hop. Cow came along. What's the matter? Oh!